5 cleaning hacks for a spotless home. Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're rolling up our sleeves and diving into the world of cleaning hacks. If you're tired of spending endless hours scrubbing and tidying up, these 5 cleaning hacks are about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's jump right in. Hack 1, Microwave Magic. First up, let's tackle that microwave mess. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a splash of vinegar, then heat it up for a few minutes. The steam will soften stubborn stains, making them easy to wipe away. Say goodbye to those baked-on food splatters. Hack 2, Lemon-Powered Garbage Disposal. Next, we're taking on the garbage disposal. Toss in some lemon peels and ice cubes, then turn on the disposal. The ice helps clean the blades, while the lemon leaves behind a fresh scent. No more funky odors. Hack 3, Showerhead Soak. For a sparkling showerhead, remove it and place it in a bag filled with vinegar. Secure the bag and let it sit overnight. In the morning, your showerhead will be free of mineral buildup. Get ready for better water pressure and a cleaner shower experience. Hack 4, Baking Soda Wonder. Baking soda is your best friend when it comes to cleaning. Sprinkle some on a damp cloth and wipe away stains from sinks, countertops, and more. It's a gentle abrasive that works wonders. A natural and effective solution. Hack 5, Pet Hair Removal. Attention, pet owners. To remove stubborn pet hair from furniture, put on a rubber glove and run your hand over the fabric. The static charge will attract the hair, making cleanup a breeze. Host, your furniture will be fur-free in no time. And there you have it, 5 cleaning hacks to transform your home into a spotless sanctuary. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cleaning and home improvement content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cleaning hack update. Until next time, happy cleaning.